I thought I'd make a video about headlights. I've got some, I did have some really bad headlights that need restoring. As you can see in this sort of corner, it's quite misted. These were, in fact, a lot worse. Driving at night was quite a challenge, so I decided to buy some off the shelf. It's actually Maguire's, but it came in a kit, step 1 and step 2. Step 1 is like a solution that you use these pads to clean the lenses of the headlights, and then step 2 is the actual coating. So what I've done is I've done both of the headlights with the step 1 with the pads, and it's come down to this on the left-hand headlight. It took about 20-25 minutes, maybe 30 minutes per headlight to give it a really good going. It's still a little bit dirty inside the headlight, so I need to take them off again and give them a little bit of clean inside, but it's very hard to get down that corner there. The lens and the indicator housing sit quite close together. Yeah, it's come up okay. So that's, as you can see, it's a bit misted still. Okay, that's exactly what you want. Passing over to the other side. Now this is one that I've sprayed, so step 2, and you can see the difference straight away. That's only had one coat, so I definitely recommend this stuff or something similar. So yeah, just go back to there, and then, so yeah, just there. If anybody else wants to have a go, it's literally Brillo pad solution and then a coating on top a few times, and let it set for 24 hours. Anyway, hope it helps someone else in this video.